In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams. This skill can be incredibly useful for virtual meetings, whether you're presenting a sales pitch, teaching a class, or simply conveying information to your colleagues. Let's dive right in so you can share your slides like a pro. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and sign in. If you're not already logged in, use your work or school email and password to access your account. Microsoft Teams is a hub for teamwork in Office 365, and once you're logged in, you'll have access to many collaboration tools, including the ability to host or join meetings. Next, either create a new meeting or join an existing one. This can be done directly within the Microsoft Teams app. To schedule a meeting, click on the calendar icon and select New Meeting. From there, you can enter details such as the meeting title, participants, and time. If you're joining a scheduled meeting, simply click on the link provided or find the meeting in your calendar and click Join. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the meeting toolbar. There, you'll find the Share option, which is represented by an upward-pointing arrow icon. Clicking on this option will allow you to share a variety of content with your meeting participants. In the sharing menu, look for the section labeled PowerPoint Live. This feature is specifically designed to enhance your PowerPoint presentation experience in Teams. Click on PowerPoint Live to view a list of available PowerPoint files. You can select from files stored in OneDrive, your computer, or recent files you've accessed in Teams. After selecting your PowerPoint file, you have the option to use Presenter Mode if you decide to share your screen. This mode allows you to see your notes and upcoming slides while your audience only sees the current slide. It's a very handy feature that can help you maintain the flow of your presentation without showing all your notes to the audience. To make your presentation even more engaging, utilize the built-in tools like the laser pointer, highlighter, and pen. These are available in your toolbar while you're presenting and can be used to emphasize key points or guide your audience's attention to specific parts of a slide. Finally, don't forget to add notes to your slides. Notes act as helpful reminders of the points you want to cover in each slide. They are only visible to you in presenter view, helping you stay on track and ensuring you don't miss any crucial information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently present PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams, making your next online meeting both professional and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.